Hello everyone! Start off by making 2 ponytails on either side. Then pull out some of the strands of hair to loosen it slightly. Now take both the tied up portions of hair and twist them one into the other. Once you reach the bottom, roll it over so that it makes a bun-like shape. After you are done with this, you may use bobby pins or any sort of clip to fasten it in its place. Next, take 2 sections of the hair and then join it at the center and then add a rubber band to tie it in place. Take 2 more sections of hair from either side and then twist it in on itself in order to form the 2 twists. Pull the first portion of hair out from the second. For our next hairstyle, take 2 sections of hair from either side, tie it up in the center, and then add a rubber band at the bottom and then twist it upon itself. Then tie it up in a bun at the top. Then take a hair stick to make it look prettier. Take a portion of hair from the left side and then twist it, make 2 divisions out of it, and then do the same on the other side. Bring it together in the center. Next hairstyle, you add a ponytail first and then add a rubber band in the center of the ponytail and then twist the hair into the rubber band portion. Tie it up at the bottom and then once again twist it. Once you are done twisting it, add a rubber band at the bottom and then insert it in the middle of the bun. Thank you for watching.